From the moment I first got on a motorcycle, I had the goal of becoming the best motocross rider in the world. Once you achieve that target, the feeling is really amazing.
Slovenian flags waving proudly there for Tiger Tim.
Tim Gajser, three-time MXGP world champion. My father introduced me to motocross as he was also a good rider in his day. When I was 2.5 years old, he put me on a motorcycle, and that's when my story began. In 2016, when I became world champion in my first season in MXGP, it was something very special. Nobody thought it was possible. I had many good rides and lots of fun on the bike. In the end, I got my reward with the world title.
Still only 25, Tim Gajser has already enjoyed a remarkable career. But his many triumphs are somewhat overshadowed by a family tragedy that happened on the track he now owns before he was born.
I've been competing with the number 243 for many years. It has a very special place in my heart, as my late brother Jan was born on the 24th of March. He died in an accident that happened here in Lemberg. I ride with the number on my bike in his memory, and I am proud to do so all over the world. At the beginning of last year, I took ownership of the track, and we've transformed it into a dreamland called Tigerland. This is where I do most of my training. We also have a garage here, which allows us to service the bikes.
Tigerland gives Tim the opportunity to practice as often as he likes, keeping him ahead of his championship rivals. And the facilities are also enjoyed by a young rider whose father helps maintain the facility.
Alan lives in the vicinity of the track, and he's been riding here since last year. I try to give him all the support he needs, because he's a really great guy. He is humble, hard-working, has a huge desire to succeed, and trains hard.
Since I started riding with Tim, I've improved a lot. I've observed his technique. I've learned that you have to come to training with a lot of positive energy and willpower, and that you go out on the track to enjoy yourself and relax.
Despite winning 3 world championships already, I don't lack motivation. Every time I achieve a goal, I find a new one. But it's always important that you enjoy what you do. For me, that in itself is a motivation.